Hello everyone, Sam is here from CreativeTradingSystem.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. Today, right now, is 8 p.m. Friday, July the 25th. So let's get started. Week ended just today, and this is the first trade last week. This week, Monday. Then we started the week on the 21st. This is gold, and this is 400 pip trade from here. You can see the arrow that this was my EA expert advisor opened the trade, and here's the yellow mark showing my buy entry and SL move to break even plus, and then from here my entry to with the one the where I close exactly at 127 extension level, 400 plus pip. All right, so this is how my system, this Renko chart system that I use, and I use my couple of different Renkos, not robots. One is CTS7, and then the other one is for gold to take this trade automatically. All right, so and this is the second trade USD yen on the 21st from here to here, 110 pip. And this one, gold again going to the upside from this entry, same day. And this is Umar's computer trade from his computer, 450 pip. This entry right there, right? So this is a different chart. That was 500 box size. This is 200 box size, and I also use a 150 box size. Means like it is like a regular 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and 30-minute charts. Wherever you see the entry, if you have the direction in mind that this is where it's going up or down, then when you get the entry, you make the make the entries. When you get the setup. All right. So this is from there, gold, and then you have this next trade is pound Aussie going, up from here. It's only 65 pip, but something, right? Nasdaq 85 points going from here to here, and then coming back. Wasn't available to close it, so I came back and I says, okay, no problem. This one, Euro Aussie 60 pip only, because sometimes these pair move a lot. Sometimes they move, but very little, right? Depend on the daily range and time of your entry, the way you want to close. And it's of course, also the factor is that what time of the day your entry is, and then what day it is, what time is coming, right? So pound Aussie here, 22nd, 90 pip going to the upside, and then this one is Euro Aussie for 90 pip as well, on the back of the weakness, Aussie weakness of Aussie in both pairs. Aussie is on the right hand side. So if Aussie gets weaker, both goes up. Gold again is the beautiful entry here from 200 box size chart for 200 pip. Euro USD went up 105 pip. This is 2 days worth of trade. This is the first day, and then I held it, and then the second day. Why? Because this pair don't have much big of a daily range. It is like 88 pip only, right? So first day probably like 50, 60 pip. Then the other day also that a little bit, and then both together came like 105 pip trade. So gold again, 150 box size, beautiful entry here, taken by the robot, and 200 pip to the upside. USD yen going down on the 22nd, was 110 pip. This is a sell orders right there. And this is pound Aussie now going down from 7-minute chart. After going all the way to the upside, it started to come down. 7-minute beautiful entry taken by the EA. And this is a different EA, 7-minute live EA. They're almost, the setup is the same, the condition is the same, but, like different factors. For example, the 7-minute chart has a different stop loss than the 20-minute chart. So, different like that. So I just made the different EAs so that I can use without any hesitation of making changes again and again. So Euro Aussie 7-minute chart, beautiful entry here, 405 pip. This is USD CAD. I hardly trade this pair, but sometimes it gives a very clear entry. So 115 on the 23rd, and then on the 23rd, gold now coming down and 300 pip to the downside. And then this one pound USD went up on the 23rd, 105 pip. Beautiful by the book entry. You see that? And this is gold again coming down and then again coming down. So make another entry here and 350 pip right there, taken by this EA, expert advisor robot. Pound Aussie 7-minute going down, sell orders right there, 75 pip. and then on the 24th, by the way, and then Nasdaq going to the upside from 40-minute chart and 220 points to the upside. Nasdaq is just keep going to the upside. I don't know where the heck it's going, to be honest with you. 25th today, Friday, gold dropping big time, right? From all the way from the top. I made the chart, I posted on the Telegram that it's going to drop, but I wasn't expecting that it's going to drop all the way down here. Even more to the downside, it went down like 23, almost 3,300, 3320, 25, something like that. So that's 280 pip there. And then a USD yen, USD started to get strong a little bit. And then this is the entry, went up nice and clean for 120 pip. And this is pound USD. I posted the chart, 40-minute chart on my Telegram. That is going to drop, and then beautiful, it start to drop, and beautiful entry here, entry here, entry here. My EA took this entry, the first entry, and then end up with 105 pip. So these are the trades, almost like 23, 24 trades for this week. Pretty good week, even though it's the end of July. The volume is not there just yet still. And the volume is going to come back in the first week or maybe like around like 10, 12 day of the August. And then we're gonna have some, and big trades and a lot more trades. When good times there, then might like 30 to 32, 35 trades a week, right? Right now it's slow time, so some of these days just don't give you a trade at all. And yeah, so it's a vacation time, right? June and July, but it's about to end. 7/25, July 25th now. 5 more days and July is gone, and then back to work, right? And then the volume will come back, and we're gonna have some really, really fun time after that. So if you like what you saw, you want to join, you want to learn about this system and get these EAs to trade, just like I am showing you. Even if you can do 20, 25% for what I just showed you that I am doing, you will do just fine. You're gonna make a lot of money. Even if you take, maybe 4 or 5 days, the whole week out of all of these 23 trades that I just showed you, 23, 24 trades, right? Just take 4 or 5 trades. That's it. One trade a day, make 50 to 100 pip. That's it. That's all you have to do. And you can just increase your lot size, and that's it, right? And I post the setup charts, 40-minute setup charts, and the weekly or 4-hour setup chart that if I have a very good setup, I post on the my YouTube, not YouTube, the Telegram channel for my subscribers, right? So and then they take it from there using my system and the robot, right? So I just made another one, a new version with some new features in that, CTS 7, and gave it to everyone. And then it's a beautiful, good new set, functions. And there he added my son, Omar. He added some new function in there. So. That, and then gold, he's gonna finalize that with different box sizes for different charts. You're gonna have like maybe at least 2 for gold. That one for to cover 150 box size and 200 box size, and then the other will cover, not cover, but basically give you a heads up the turning points on 1,000 box size chart. And the gold strategy that I am using right now, it's so beautiful, it's so perfect. I get all these big trades. I just showed you all of those trades, right? And I'm posting those charts, the before charts of 1,000 box size charts on my Telegram regularly, and catching almost every single turning point, if there is a turn. Sometimes I say that it's going to make the turn, but it don't. It just continue dropping, right? So unless we get a 7 minute, for example, let's see, this is a gold, right? So right now I said that it's probably gonna bounce from here. This is 500 bucks size. So this is the chart I made when it was only red candle here, right? And I said that this is like a triangle completed, and then look what happened, right? So we have a reversal candle, we had a blue candle, another blue candle, and it may be going to the upside the next week. And if I see the entry, then I will get it, right? So this is how it is. So bye for now. And today is like Friday night, and I wish you have a very, very wonderful weekend, and see you soon in my group. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.